We are pleased to show you the 2018 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.